Back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to take a step away from the quad and all the fun toys. Today we're going to be doing an airlift system on the 2023 GMC Canyon. Let's go, guys. So here, we'll fold her down. This is what we're going to be installing today.
There you go, some adjustable air springs.
So we're going to be towing a camper around America. So we just want the back to sit a bit higher and take a bit more weight. Let's go do it.
So here we have it. Here's the airbag right here. I've already put this one together. The fitting, the nut here on the top. This is the bracket that goes to the frame. This bracket that goes to the spring. Alright, so this is going to go in here just like this. Going to throw your U-bolt over. Just like that. Your bracket on the bottom. Washer nut. Washer nut on this side. So what I did on the other side also is I removed this nut. Now you can get a nice socket up here when you just pull these out of the way now that I've unbolted it. Your U-bolts here, they're going to be 15 foot-pounds. Don't over tighten them. They're doing it so you don't sandwich the leaves together. Alright, now we're going to punch the holes here. We're going to drill these out. And then I usually put some gasket sealer around these holes to protect it after you drill it. Alright, we got the bolts in. So on this side we had to put the heat shielding around here for the exhaust because it gets close to the airbag around here. This is how I ran mine from the bag itself. I ran it along here and I hooped it all together here because I'm going to put a pump in later, so I didn't want to cut it too short. Alright guys, so this is where I routed this in here. I've got a nice little bracket right here to fix to from the bed cover here, and I got a hose clamp and then put it right here. I think it's better because then you don't have to drill a hole in the body, nothing. I've ran it up through here. That looks good, yeah.
There's a hole that comes down.
Sweet. Where's the hole?
Yeah, there's a hole that comes in back here. It comes down in the bottom here and loops in the loop that you seen earlier.
Very good.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and see you at the next one.